So, welcome to the world of amazing animals, and today we are going to learn about animals found all over the world. So, our first animal is koala. So, it is a small furry animal and it is a marsupial. Now, what does marsupial means? It means a mammal who give birth to baby which is not fully developed and is carried in a pouch in mother's belly. You must have seen kangaroos. So, like that. Number two, it is a small mammal and it is famous because of its ability to kill snakes. Remember, you must have read the story in Hindi, Saap or Nevla, right? So, Nevla is called mongoose, right? Next is armadillos. Armadillo, it is having a hard skin and it is having a very good sense of smell. And why is it called armadillo? Because it is having a hard shell which is made up of bony place and it can protect itself from the bushes, So it's quite hard. This outside skin is quite hard. So that is why it is called armadillos. Next is porcupine. Yeah, very interesting creature. It is having spines all over the body and its spines protect it from the enemies. So whenever there is an enemy around, so the spines become stiff and it protects itself from the enemy. And the next creature, very interesting because it can change its color of the body. And it's a good swimmer and it is a sea animal. So can you guess the name of this? Yeah, squid. And the last one comes here. I think I need not to tell you the name. You know this creature very well. Yeah, can you guess? Yeah, anaconda. So it is found in South America and it is one of the largest snakes in the world. So here comes the next one, and that is the animals who are having very interesting defense mechanism. What does defense mechanism mean? So whenever the animals attack on them, they show very, strange defense mechanism to protect themselves. They have their own mechanisms to protect themselves. So the very first is cuttlefish. Whenever there is a predator around or there is an enemy around, what does it do? It spews ink in water. Yeah, it throws out ink in the water from its body and it can change color also. So the monarch butterfly, it feeds on milkweeds. Milkweeds are the plants which are toxic in taste and it's little bitter also. So when the monarch butterfly sits, on these weeds and feeds on its, milkweeds, these milkweeds, it becomes little, untasty. Not very tasty for the predators. So that is how it saves itself from the predators. Next is, oh my God, yeah, it's quite interesting, horned lizard. And what does it do? It shoots blood from its ducts located near the corner of its eyes. Isn't it little spooky? Yeah. So, this is a way that the predators move away from the horned lizard. And yes, this animal, this is tortoise. And whenever there is a danger around, it hides in its house, which is on its back, that is its shell. This is snake. Yes, it is hog-nosed snake. Why is it called hog-nosed? Because what happens, it widens its neck, opens its mouth, and then hisses. Okay, and next is you. Can you just smell something very dirty smell? Yeah, maybe skunk is around. Yes, this is skunk and it is having a very bad smell. And this is how it protects itself from the predator. And this is ptarmigan. Now, ptarmigan is having an ability to change its color according to the surroundings. So here comes the last one, that is this green creature which is called looper. What does looper do? It disguises itself under the tree leaves by cutting bits of leaves, and it sticks itself on the back of the leaves, and that is how it saves its life. I hope you all have enjoyed today's lesson, and you must have come to know more about animals. Great. So thank you and bye-bye. And in the last, I just want to say one simple rule which we are following these days. That is, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.